Hi, my name is Amy Ginsberg, and I'm one of the clinical educators working for PhilHour Motion Control. Today, we're going to talk about how to care for our Utah arm. First thing, you always want to make sure that you inspect your harness for any damages, wear and tear, and keeping this clean, following your prosthetist's instructions. Next, the Utah arm is not fully waterproof submersible. You do want to be careful around water, especially in openings of the elbow. Also, if you're around any sort of dusty environments, it's very important to make sure that your Utah arm and your prosthesis is covered. And then after you come back from the environment, you do want to clean your Utah arm. To clean your Utah arm, you can use a damp cloth, but be very careful that you don't get any water in any of the openings of the elbow. What we use here to spot clean is 409. You can also use rubbing alcohol. When you're wearing your prosthesis, you want to be careful around electricity, and you want to stay away from high vibration, so power tools, things of that nature. And just overall, you want to treat your Utah arm like you would your SoundSide arm. Lastly, our Utah arm, when the lock is engaged, it can hold up to 50 pounds. Anything beyond that is too much for that Utah arm to support. Thank you, and if you're looking for more information, you can speak to your prosthetist, or you can go to our website at www.philhour.com.